On your Android phone, if you're using any application, sometimes some notifications used to come. When these notifications are coming, if you want to show that notification like a pop-up, you need to enable Floating Notifications option. Then only you can see that notification in that type. Anyways, in this video, we'll be telling about how to enable floating notifications for any application. For this, open Settings. When you're opening Settings, here you can see Notification or Notifications. According to brands, there will be some changes. Anyways, I'm selecting Notifications. I'm using Poco branded phone. In Poco and Redmi branded phones, settings is like this.
Anyways, select that. And here you can see Floating option. Click on Floating. And if you're having any confusions, what you can do is open the settings. When you're opening, here you can see Search Settings option. Here you can search for floating. When you're searching for floating only, you can see Floating Notifications. Just click on this. When you're clicking on that, you'll directly reach this page. And if you want to get floating notification from any application, you need to enable this settings. If any applications it is turned off, what you need to do is you need to turn on that.
After that, you'll get that floating notification from that application also. So this way you can easily enable floating notification for any application on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.